In this video, I will show you how to apply page border in Word document using the shortcut. So press Alt G, then PB, Alt G, PB, and here press X on your keyboard. Now Y to select style. You can move style using the down arrow. So select your border style. Similarly, C, once you press C, or press the tab. Now here select any color. All things you can apply using the keyboard. Then press enter. Now click on OK. Same once you press W with capital. So you can make and you can select size for border. Press enter. Now click on OK. So press enter. That's it. So this is the way guys you can add page border in Microsoft Word document using the shortcut. Thanks for watching.